Hello everyone. So today our stock is Crompton Consumer. So in this stock, we'll go about. So this stock was listed somewhere around 2016, and since then we have followed this support line up till now. So even right now it has taken support over here. So now this stock has a buy rating. So how far will it reach? Where do we have to take the stop loss? Where do we have to keep our targets? So we'll be talking about that. So right now when it reached over here, so we'll move on to a shorter deep inside over here. So it has a support over here that is somewhere around 250 to 260 rupees. So between this base it took support. So we have this resistance trend line from here, that is from around 420 rupees, and this is a slanting trend line. Then we have got one more major trend line, that is again a resistance trend line, that is from 507, and it is going up till here. So this time what we can expect in this stock, how much is the return that we can expect? So this first green candle which came over here, this was because of the earnings which were posted, and after a good earnings over here, the stock moved up somewhere around 10 to 12%. That is, we can see from over here 240, it moved around 8 9%. So after that, this resistance trend line which was there, a short-term resistance, as this stock was quite strong, having good green candles, it took a small resistance over here, and then we got a good breakout today. So that is today, that is 5th of June, we got a breakout over here. So this is our breakout candle. So now how will this stock move and till where? Yeah. So we'll figure out the resistances first. So we have one resistance over here that we can see, it has around 300 levels. So this is one resistance. Then the second resistance is somewhere over here. It is 316. Then we have got a third resistance. We can take over here somewhere over here. That is 338. So this is one more resistance, and then finally we have a major resistance, which is somewhere over here, 370. Yeah. So now this is quite far right now. So when we talk about how this stock will move, over here also, this is also one resistance. Yeah. Put in white color. So I'll zoom in. So today we got a breakout from this green trend line, and then this green candle got a resistance over here, that is on this red candle. So this red candle, on this red candle we took resistance. So right now we have stopped over here. Now after this, most probably this resistance will be broken, and then we'll move above this. So over here what will happen is, if we get a breakout somewhere again over here above this resistance, we'll get a support over here, that is around 280, and from this support we'll get a up move, and this up move shall be somewhere till up to 300 rupees, up to 300. And this is also one more problem over here, that this was a big gap down. So after that we can take one more resistance, which will be somewhere over here. So we'll take a resistance over here maybe. Then after we break this resistance, our target will be next, that is around 301 rupees. After that, our next target will be for around 317 rupees, and then one more target that is up to 337 rupees, around 340. And then right now the thing that we can see is that this yellow line, this is a major resistance that we have got. So due to this, maybe in short term we can book good profits over here around a maximum amount. Maybe somewhere, if we move like this, it can go up till 330. If it moves quite straight upside, up to 350, 360, so we can consider our profit booking to be somewhere over here between these ranges, that is 330 up to 320. Yeah, so how much profit will this be based on targets? So percentage wise, over here, from here we can take this as around a 20%, around 20%. So around 20% profit can be done. So when do we buy this stock? So now that it has given a breakout from this green trend line, so we can buy this stock even right now around 279 rupees, 280 rupees. Or else if we want to wait, we can buy this after we get a breakout from this trend line, this white trend line, that is about 280. About 280 over here in somewhere in this range, when it takes support and we see a green candle over here, we can buy this stock and we can hold it for targets up to 300, 316, 320, 330 and 340. And safe safe players can sell this stock somewhere over here and book good profits. And talking about the stop loss, if this stock moves below this trend line, that is this trend line comes to be somewhere around 257, 255. So if we move below this trend line, so then you have to sell this off. That will be our stop loss.